Okay, I can do that part too.
Letting it get in high.
Yeah, now that there's a whole lump above there, right
Okay,
there.
now here, you take the brush
Okay.
and just gently try to stroke them in. Coming the other way though.
Huh?
Is that possible for you to be behind here? Maybe you should be where I am. See, yeah, that's what I'm thinking is to...
Oh, there you go.
Okay, a little rougher. There you go. A little rougher. Let's just do it real rough and...
Yeah, you'll probably want to step back
Yeah.
because they're getting closer. Wow.
Okay.
Look at all the ones that are left behind. What happens to them?
They'll either join another hive or return to the hive that they came from. Because there'll be no possibility of queen.
Right.
You know, hopefully the queen is in one of these two buckets.